Are you looking for a legitimate typing job that you can do from the comfort of your own home? Data entry is one of the jobs that people frequently inquire about. I don't recommend straight data entry because most data entry jobs pay pennies per document, which is far from a fair wage. And in many cases, these businesses have significant payment threshold requirements, which means you won't get paid until you meet them, which could take months. If you are an accurate typist with a fast typing speed who wants to work from home, there are some other options you may not have considered. And the best of all, they pay more than pennies. Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money, as well as ways to make money online wisely. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. The live chat agent is a new type of customer service that has emerged as a result of the internet and online shopping. Live chat agents use online chat programs, email, and occasionally phone calls to respond to customers' questions and concerns on the spot. Some chat positions, such as tech support, necessitate prior knowledge in a specific field. Others, on the other hand, are more generic, requiring only quick and accurate typing skills, as well as some customer service or retail experience. Chat agents make an average of $11 an hour, according to CareerBliss.com, with specialized agents earning more. Alorica, Empire, Flippers, and Mod Squad are a few companies that hire remote chat agents. Do you enjoy watching movies? Then subtitling might be your ideal work-at-home opportunity. Closed captioners type what they hear and sync it to the video while watching TV shows, movies, and YouTube videos. Closed captioning jobs are available on Rev and they pay $0.40 to $0.75 per video minute. The amount you can earn will be determined by your typing accuracy and speed. Check out Caption Max, Daily Transcription, and TransPerfect for more companies that hire online closed captioners. Virtual assistants are highly skilled, home-based professionals who provide administrative assistance to businesses, entrepreneurs, and bloggers. Because VAs are responsible for a wide range of tasks, excellent typing skills are required. Sending email correspondence, creating documents, scheduling appointments, editing, data entry, and internet research are some of the most basic functions that VAs perform, all of which necessitate accurate typing skills. Belay, Fancy Hands, Boldly, Inbox Done, and Zirtual are a few companies that hire virtual assistants. Do you have a keen eye for detail? Then this may be the right typing job for you. Proofreaders collaborate with a wide range of professionals to improve the quality of their written documents. They check for spelling, grammar, punctuation, and word choice, as well as fact-checking and making the texts more readable. Many editors have English or journalism degrees, but others gain experience through internships and on-the-job training, and some are self-taught due to natural talent. Editors must be able to type quickly and communicate effectively. Edit Fast, Flex Jobs, Media Bistro, and Scribendi are a few companies that hire editors and proofreaders. You might believe that being a writer necessitates a specialized degree, but this is not the case. You can make decent money writing articles, newsletters, social media updates, white papers, blog posts, sales letters, case studies, video scripts, and more with just a little practice and a passion for the craft. Gina Horkey grew her freelance writing business from $0 to $4,000 per month in just 6 months. And the more work you can churn out, the faster and more accurately you can type. Copify, Freelancer, Guru, ProBlogger, and Upwork are some places to look for freelance writing jobs. Are you a typist who can type quickly and accurately? Do you have a good ear for listening? Then transcription might be the job for you. The process of listening to audio files and transcribing them into written documents is known as transcription. Medical transcription, legal transcription, and general transcription are the 3 main types of transcription work. You will need a high-speed internet connection, a laptop, a foot pedal, and headphones for these roles. To ensure that you meet quality standards, most companies will require you to take a test. General transcriptionists make $28 per hour, according to ZipRecruiter, which seems a little high considering you're getting paid by the audio minute. This means you will be paid based on the length of the final audio clip, not how long it took you to transcribe it. Allegris Transcription, 3Play Media, Rev, and Scribby are all companies that hire remote transcriptionists. Calls are taken by remote receptionists who quickly type detailed notes of the conversation for their clients. Other administrative tasks they perform include screening new clients, scheduling appointments, transferring calls, and entering data into databases. You will need to be a quick typer who can stay cool, calm, and collected while multitasking for this job. You should also be tech-savvy, with knowledge of Microsoft Word and Excel, as well as Google Docs. C. Ruby, Smith.ai requires at least 40 words per minute, and Vicky Virtual for remote receptionist jobs, which requires at least 50 words per minute. Do you have the ability to communicate in more than one language? Then you should think about becoming a translator. Translators take written and recorded material from one language and convert it to another. Translators make an average of $29 per hour according to ZipRecruiter. Remote translator positions are available at Keyword Studio, Language Bear, Language Translation, WeLocalize, and Wordvice. This remote typing job might be right for you if you enjoy reading user-generated content and comments. Many businesses that use online forums, social media, and blogs hire community moderators to keep an eye on their users and their posts. Moderators assist in ensuring that the rules and terms of engagement are followed, as well as answering any questions that user may have. Bloggers, gambling websites, gaming platforms, search engines, dating websites, social media sites, Badoo, Concentrix, Cloud Workers, and Pinterest are some of the companies that hire remote moderators. There are numerous websites where you can complete tasks such as data entry, translation, transcription and market research, online survey, and search engine evaluation. These independent contracting jobs are usually low-paying, but they can be a great way to supplement your income in your spare time. Amazon Mechanical Turk, MTurk, Appen, and TELUS International are all good places to start working on micro-tasks. Don't get me wrong, remote data entry jobs are available, but they will entail more than just typing. Xerox, for example, is a reputable and legitimate work-from-home company that hires people for remote data entry and verification jobs. In this position, you will provide administrative support to business operations, including data entry, scanning, sorting, and other similar tasks. Data entry clerk and administrative assistant jobs can also be found on staffing agency websites such as Cali Services and Robert Half, which both offer a remote job search option. Despite the fact that there are more legitimate work-from-home jobs than ever before, scammers continue to prey on unsuspecting job seekers. They will make fake accounts and send you an email claiming you have been hired for a data entry job. Then you click a link or unwittingly provide them with personal information, and your hard-earned money is gone. With any job, you should do your homework to make sure the company is legitimate. Verify a recruiter's email address. It should match the company's domain name and their identity on LinkedIn if they contact you for a job. If you apply for a job on one of the major job boards and they suddenly want to move the conversation to a third-party app like Telegram, WhatsApp, or Messenger, you should be concerned. Scammers enjoy hiding behind fictitious profiles. When researching and applying for jobs, take your time. Entry-level jobs like data entry and typing don't pay well, so if you are promised large sums of money for simple tasks like this, it is almost certainly a con. There is an online typing job waiting for you out there, whether you are looking for a full-time, part-time work, or just a side gig. If you want to improve your typing speed or accuracy, there are many free online typing practice sites available, such as typing.com. Keep in mind that there are a lot of scammers out there, so do your homework and research opportunities thoroughly. So that is it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.